15 by 30 oval pool, above ground, installed in July 2017. New metal roof in 2018. This one-level low-maintenance home features an open floor plan with split bedroom arrangement. Kitchen features all appliances and connects with a large eat-in area and opens into a spacious family room large enough for any oversized furniture. The backyard is fenced and is large enough for any type of family entertainment. Home is located just off Highway 111 between Cookeville and Livingston. Shown by appointment only. Grandparents have 3 small children that reside with them currently and need a 3 to 4 hour notice to show.